let me introduce you to this styling texture powder. So it comes in this little container, so it's really easy to take with you anywhere you go, either like in the office or on the vacation, or just keep it at home. It will give a fantastic feel, texture and volume for all types of the hair, doesn't matter the length. It will leave no lines, no like white marks, no greasy hair. It will just leave a nice natural look. It will absorb any grease from the hair, leaving only natural look. Important thing is that it is made only out of the natural ingredients. It's cruelty free and it's also vegan. The usage is of course very simple. All we need to do is to obviously open it first, then we need to apply a small amount on our hairs and then distribute it using our fingers.